What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Check it out. We're at I don't know if this is Forest Falls, Big Bear. I don't even know. Do you know?
I think going up towards Big Bear off the 18, the back way.
Right. So we're just driving up and happen to see this waterfall. Amazing. It looks like we're in a different country. But check it out. Look how close we can get to it. Look at that. Very cool. Look how tall this thing is. This is amazing. But anyways, we're supposed to be in home quarantine right now. But you know what? No one's out here, so we figured, you know what, we'll come and check it out. But look what we come across. This is just exploring every day. You know, we find new things. Me and my brother go out. Look at the rocks all around. There's rocks everywhere. As long as one of these don't fall on you, you're living life. So anyways, just wanted to show you guys this waterfall we came across. Was awesome waterfall. We're gonna probably climb it in a few minutes. No, not really. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this. If we come across anything else, we'll show you guys. We're just kind of looking for waterfalls today. Today is waterfall day with all this rain, but all this rain, there has to be waterfalls. So that's what we're going out to explore. Took our drones. If it would stop raining a little bit, would be good. And if you notice this, people do climb this. Check out this rope. There is rope here, so you could actually climb. Oh, look at this. You could climb to the top of this if you wanted to with this rope. See that? So people do climb up this. Daniel, see this?
Oh yeah.
People do climb up.
Crazy.
But
Well, maybe they take you all the time.
yeah, we're not gonna climb it. At least not today. But you could get to the top of the falls if you really wanted to. But check out. You could go all the way up there. It'd be pretty dangerous, but amazing spot. So anyways, we're gonna keep looking around, exploring a little bit more. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Also, make sure you check out the merch in the description below. So we're getting close to 1,000 subscribers. It's taken a little while, but we'll get there, guys. Hang tight. There'll be different videos. There's all types of videos that we're going to be making. If you've seen my last couple videos, they're pretty much like just old videos I had and put music to it and voila. But anyways, look at this. Is some of the stuff we come across. Look at, there was a tire here. I guess it was tied onto that rope over there, but check out the different plants. Look at that. Different plants. Yeah. If not, this is gonna be a short video. But look at, that's where we're parked. Side of the road. I don't know if this is Highway 38 or what. Highway 38 or what. So anyways, stay tuned. I'll show you guys some more in a little bit. We're almost to the waterfall. There's a little seating area right there. You see that? Huh, where? Right there. Oh, no, that's not seating area. No. Pretty neat. Alright guys, this is where we're at. Check it out. Look at those clouds over there. Pretty neat. Huh. Guys, check out some of this rock. Look how tall this is. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. It's crazy. You know what's crazy? You see metal pegs in the rocks above us. So people must climb here a lot. There's a metal stud in the rocks up there. And there's a metal stud right here. See it? And there's a couple metal studs.
This is where they climb.
Yeah, this is where they climb.
Oh yeah, look, another one right there.
Yeah. So people do climb here.
Oh yeah.
Huh.
Crazy.
Neat.
Victor does all that.
Yeah.
I should tell him about this place.
Yeah. That's wild, huh?
Yeah.
But neat waterfall.
That is cool.
That is a neat waterfall.
That would be scary.
Heck yeah, that would be really scary. Because any of these could break.
Yeah.
Look at all the cracks in them.
They get them in there somehow.
That's tons of weight right there.
Look at that one.
Yeah.
Upside down. Look at, there's another one way up there.
Yeah.
Way up there.
Even here.
Yeah. Even right here on this cliff, there's two.
Dang.
See them?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put you right here. Somewhere else.
It does.
Huh.
Yeah. Say this is 60 minutes, but this is going to take you 2 hours to watch. It's raining so hard right now. And we're out looking at waterfalls.